Hey friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to teach Claude to make Anki flashcards. So head on over to claude.ai and then when you enter your Claude you can click your username, click settings, and then head on to this section called connectors, and when you click that, click add custom connector, and then write to anki.net and https://2anki.net MCP. I'll have the link in the description, and that's it. Click add. It's going to take a moment, and then you can see it's there, and you might have to connect it. I have already done it before, so I'm just disconnected now. Let me connect again, and then you're going to be navigated to anki.net to allow access. And after you have done that, that will enable Claude to use the to Anki connection. So now we can, let's say I want to learn weekdays in Japanese from English. So this is a regular chat with Claude. Now it's gonna work. So I'm currently using the Sonnet 5 with the low effort just to hopefully speed this up. So it created a table, and you could ask it to create a CSV, but we want the APKG file. So I can see it actually created all days, not just Monday to Friday, which was what I asked for, but this is fine. So let's ask it to create APKG, and it actually did want me to turn this into Anki deck via to Anki. We did. So now hopefully it's gonna run that, and then we're gonna get our nice APKG file ready. So it does take a moment. Any moment now, come on. This was surprisingly slow. It's haven't done this specific prompt before. I've done other ones and they are usually faster, so it looks like there was an issue with Claude. So this could be a connection issue with my Wi-Fi, so I'll give it one more time. And now it looks like it actually did find the tool. This is the to Anki icon, and you can see it finished. So it was probably a network issue. Now let me open the link, and I got the APKG file. I'll double click that, import it, and bam, the flashcards are created. So if we now review them, Monday, and then we can see them, and that's fine. But let's could you create flashcards with furigana in the Ruby tag instead, because I want them to be like nicely formatted instead of having the hiragana here or furigana. I wanted to have it above the kanji, so there is syntax for that in HTML. So let's see if it can do that. Now it's pondering. Hopefully we don't have any network issues, and then it's gonna work. Come on, Claude, I believe in you. Yeah, okay, so there's some network issue. Let me click retry. I'm not sure why this is happening. I think it could be my Wi-Fi at home. I've been having some Wi-Fi issues recently with downloading, but it worked on the second try. Let's open that link. We get another APKG file, Furigana. Let's look at those. Bam, and you can see there we have our flashcards. So that's it. That's how you create flashcards in Claude using 2Anki.net. I hope this was useful for you, and hopefully you don't experience any network issues like I did, and thank you for watching.